Hey everyone, it is that time. It is time for our Tara's must-have. What's a Tara's must-have? A Tara's must-have is an item or a collection, and if you've been collecting Doodle Doo, you know that I have curated just for you that's pretty and practical and purposeful. All of our pieces are. If you're new to Temp-tations, you can prep in these pieces, you can cook in these pieces, you can put them in the dishwasher, they go in the fridge, the freezer, the microwave, they go under the broiler at 500 degrees. Even as beautiful as they are and as gorgeous as they are in the detail of the hand painting, you don't have to baby these pieces. Okay, so let's start with what Doodle Doo is first and foremost. So Doodle Doo is that beautiful cobblestone detail that trims and runs around the edges of these adorable roosters. So if you know anything about roosters, they bring prosperity, good luck. Everybody needs roosters in their kitchen. Look at this elevated 3-quart bowl. It's absolutely stunning with that pedestal that you see there at the bottom. There's even an adorable rooster there on the inside, so cute. And no matter which way you're looking at this, 360 degrees, you have some hand-painted or embossed detail to enjoy. So $34.95 for the 3-quart bowl, free shipping and handling. Or you can pick up the 16-inch platter, also with that ruffled edge detail that runs all the way around, the beautiful cobblestone, the color saturation on the inside, the adorable sweet rooster surrounded by that medallion. Absolutely beautiful here. $24.95 free shipping and handling. So you could get both of these home for just under $60. So of course we have it in your classic red, but then we also have it in that beautiful black. So if you love that farmhouse chic, if you're all on board with that look, this is such a fun way. And the best part, you can mix and match. If you want to pick up a black platter, but you want a red bowl, you can do that. So if you've been adding to your collection, we have so much more in store for you. These are the iconic signature pieces. There is something beautiful about a serving platter. This replaces your cookie sheet. This can actually be your cutting board. This is your serving tray, of course. And then there's something beautiful about having an elevated bowl. 3-quart in size gives you the ability to make this a punch bowl. This can be your veg bowl. This can be your cold bowl. So many different things. Maybe you love to make trifles. This is that look. So again, just a quick reminder, head on over to temp-tations.com. This is a limited time offer, $24.95 for the platter, $34.95 for that elevated bowl. You can get both of them home for under $60, free shipping and handling. All you gotta choose is whether you want red or black.